I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to link your main Marvel Rivals account to other gaming platforms. Step 1. Open Marvel Rivals on the gaming platform where you have your primary Marvel Rivals account that you want to link to other systems. I'm using Steam, where I have my primary Marvel Rivals account, and I'm going to link that to my PlayStation account. I do want to note that if you're using Steam, you should navigate to the website for the other gaming platform you want to link to and sign into that website with the account you want to link to prior to starting this process. I'd advise going and doing that and then resuming these steps. Step 2. Click Settings on this screen and then click Settings again in the menu on the next screen. Step 3. Click Other in the menu at the top of the screen. Scroll down this menu until you see Account and then click Link Now associated with it. The account linking screen opens. Step 4. Find the gaming platform you want to link your Marvel Rivals account to and then click Link Now associated with that platform. You'll see a note that you should either be logged out of the official website associated with the gaming platform you want to link to or logged in with the account you want to link to. Again, in this example, I've already logged in to the PlayStation website with the PlayStation account I want to link to my Steam Marvel Rivals account. Step 5. Click Confirm if you want to move forward. If you're prompted to sign in to that service to link your account, sign in to move forward with linking. Alternatively, if you're using Steam, you may see a message like this where you need to copy a URL and paste it into a web browser to move forward with the link process. After signing in to the gaming service you're linking to, you'll see a note that the linking process is complete. Now, whenever you navigate to the account linking screen in Marvel Rivals, you'll see that this account is now linked. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.